If you're thinking the pressure on ERs will ease soon, doctors say think again.
The complexity of the patient is greater. So, and I would also say the volumes coming in through the door are greater. Let me have a listen to your heart too.
ER doc Tasleem Nimji says sicker patients mean longer wait times. Some Canadians are walking out of ERs without even being seen, which can have deadly consequences.
I don't know who's going to be the one that's the one that didn't sound like a heart attack but really was.
You're handcuffed because of system-wide problems that sometimes you can't chip away at as an individual physician, and that's frustrating.
A new editorial in the Canadian Medical Association journal agrees, arguing there must be a system-wide response to the current crisis, which has been decades in the making.
Everyone agrees hospitals are short-staffed and they need to fill vacant positions. But doctors say some of the reasons for the long waits is also a shortage of family doctors, which is driving more patients into emergency rooms. And a shortage of long-term care beds is keeping more patients in beds upstairs.
So why hasn't funding for family doctors and long-term care kept up with demand?
Provincial and territorial governments have not been required to spend money that they receive from the federal government on healthcare for the last couple of decades.
Auditors in Ontario say current budgets are underfunding the health sector more than $21 billion over 6 years, noting it's not even enough to support existing programs and promises. Canada's health minister says Canadians are rightfully concerned about the crisis in ERs, adding upcoming health transfers will require more provincial accountability on healthcare spending.
I think the more Canadians become a part of the conversation, the more I am actually hopeful we're going to be able to work through this problem.
Doctors insist ER wait times can be fixed by repairing parts of the healthcare system that have long been neglected. Christine Birak, CBC News, Toronto.